Gak apa-apa. Nggak aku dulu.
Okay, good morning, students. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Now, today we start.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning. Now, today we start the exercise 3.3.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, बेटे. सभी को आ रही है मेरी आवाज?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, please open your books. Please open your books and page number 50. Please open your books. Page number 50. Now we start the exercise 3.3.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, bete. 3.3.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Yesterday, day before, I am discussing.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Stop. Don't say good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Don't say good morning. I am tell all of you. Good morning, all of you. Don't tell. बार-बार बोलिए मत बीच में. Yesterday, day before, we discussing in a parallelogram. If the parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal and the diagonal are bisect to each other. This theorem we apply on this exercise. Okay. Now, the question number first of this exercise, question number 1. Question 1. There is the parallelogram. There is a parallelogram A, B, C, D, and AC is the diagonal and BD is also a diagonal of. And this is the point O. Given a parallelogram ABCD, ABCD, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, each statement along the definition property is set. Definition, the definition of the parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angle also equal, and the diagonal bisect to each other. That means this diagonal is equal to this diagonal and this diagonal. That means OA is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD, and AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. Now we apply this property. The first part, AD, and AD is the side is equal to its opposite side, BC, we write here BC. Now the second part, angle DCB equal angle DCB, and this is the angle C, and in the parallelogram opposite angle are also equal. We already proved it, and the opposite angle of C is angle A. Now we write here BAD or a DAB, both are the same thing. We write angle DAB or BAD, both are equal angle. Now the third part of this question, OC. OC, where is OC? OC, that means in a parallelogram, diagonal bisect to each other. That means OC is equal to OA.
OA.
Very good. Shabash. And the fourth part, measurement of angle DAB plus measurement of angle CDA equal measurement of angle DAB and measurement of angle CDA. What is the measurement of both the two angles? This measurement and what is the measurement? Can you say? Can you say?
180.
Why?
Sir, 180.
Why?
Sir,
Why?
180.
Why 180?
Sir, because interior opposite angle.
Consecutive interior, the sum of the consecutive interior angle is always comes 180. And you study in the previous class, class 7th, if two lines and the two lines are parallel and another line is a transversal line, then the sum of the consecutive interior angles always be 180. Consecutive interior angle का sum हमेशा 180 होता है. Or this angle and this angle are consecutive interior angle because AB is parallel to CD and AD is the transversal line. Therefore, the sum of these angle is 180 because consecutive interior angles. Because consecutive interior angles, and that is our answer. That is our answer. Don't make a noise. Be silent. Look at here. So measurement of angle DAB plus measurement of angle CDA equal 180. Why? Because the sum of the consecutive interior angle always comes 180. And this is my answer. Now the question number 2. Question number 2. Here is a parallelogram. There are some figures. Consider the following parallelograms and find the value of unknown values x, y, z. You have find the value of x, y, z. And there are some parallelograms are given. So in the first part, this is the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. And this is the angle Z. This is angle Y. This angle be 100. And this angle be X. Now, you have find the angles. Now, according to the definition of the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this angle B is equal to angle D. I will write here, angle B is equal to angle D. Why? Opposite angle of the parallelogram. Opposite angle
corresponding angle
of not a corresponding angle. Yeah, opposite angle. These are angle B and angle D of parallelogram. Parallelogram के opposite angles equal होते हैं. So angle B is 100. Therefore, angle D is equal to, I will write here, D and B. D is equal to B. And we find the angle D. The D is equal to, and we put here 100. Angle D comes 100. And D is angle Y. We write here, Y is equal to 100. This is my unknown values. Ka first part हमने find. Now, we find X and Z. And we already know, X, angle X is equal to angle Z. Angle X is equal to angle Z. Why? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. We know the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral. Parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. Always comes 360 degree. Now we use angle Z plus angle B. Here we write angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Look at here. ये देखिए हमने लिखा है, हम जानते हैं कि x is equal to z होगा क्योंकि ये अपोजिट एंगल है पैरेललोग्राम पे. मैंने यहाँ पुट कर दिया. रख दिया, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मान लीजिए। और ये भी हम लोग जानते हैं कि किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल के इंटीरियर एंगल का सम हमेशा 360 डिग्री होता है, मैंने प्रूफ किया था। और पैरेललोग्राम के भी इंटीरियर एंगल का सम बिकॉज 360 होगा, क्योंकि ये भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल है। तो मैंने एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी प्लस एंगल डी इज इक्वल टू 360। अब वैल्यू, वी पुट द वैल्यूज, एंगल ए इज जेड, A is Z, we write here Z plus angle B is 100 degree, angle C is X, but here is X is equal to Z, we put the value of Z, हमने यहाँ X की जगह Z लिखा क्योंकि X Z के बराबर है, we write here, okay, we write here plus क्योंकि हमने यहाँ लिख दिया है पहले ही, and angle D is we find here y is equal to 100, angle D is 100 equal 360 degree. Now we add both the numbers, and this Z and this Z comes 2Z plus 200 equal 360 degree, and 2Z is equal to 360 minus 200, and it comes 160 degree. 2Z is equal to 160 degree, and 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 0. The value of Z is equal to 80. Z की वैल्यू आ गई, Y की वैल्यू आ गई. Now we write here right, Z is equal to 80 degree, X is also equal to Z, X is also equal to Z, therefore X is equal to, these are my answers. Okay, write down. एक बार फिर हम इसको रिवाइज करते हैं, रिपीट करते हैं. ये पैरेललोग्राम, this is ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle B is given. Angle, I mute all of you.
Please, sir.
I mute all of you because all of you are
Side, please,
disturbing.
sir.
Now, okay. Now ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle B is 100. So first we find the angle Y. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, angle Y comes 100 degree. First. Now, we also find Z and X. We know this opposite angle are also equal because it is the part of the parallelogram. Opposite angle of a parallelogram. We are right, and that is my first equation. Then we also know the sum of the angles of the parallelogram, interior angles, are 360 degree. That means angle A plus angle P plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Now put these values. Angle A is Z, angle B is 100, angle C is Z because X is equal to Z. We put there Z, and D is 100. We find here 100. Angle Y is 100 degree. We put there 100. Equal 360 degree. Now we add both the numbers. It comes 2Z plus 200. Transformation, minus 200, it comes 160. And 2 divided by 160 comes 80. Z is 80. If Z is 80, then X is also 80. And we write here, that is our answer. Okay. Now it is clear. It is clear. Himanshu, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now, the second part of this question, and there is also a parallelogram. This is the parallelogram, and we write the name, only angles be given there, and we write the name A, B, C, D. And this angle be 50 degree, this angle be Y degree, this angle be X degree, and you have find and angle, this angle you find, this is the angle Z. That means you find X, Y, Z. And we know angle B. Angle B comes, angle B is equal to angle D. Why? Because opposite angle of the parallelogram, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Therefore, angle B, we give the name because in B is this Z also included. We write ABC. ABC, and angle ABC and D is 50 degree, and this ABC come 50 degree. That means this angle be 50 degree. And in previous classes, we know if AD is parallel to, if AD parallel to BC, AD is parallel to BC, and AB is a transversal line, then right here, then angle DAB plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Why? Consecutive interior angles, sum of the consecutive interior angles, and the sum of the consecutive interior angles always 180. So here we write angle A is X plus this angle B is 50 degree, and that comes 180. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 50, and it comes X is equal to 130 degree. And we find the value of X. X भी हमने unknown values निकाल दी. It comes 130. B हमारा 50 था, 50. Angle D हमने निकाल ही दिया. Angle D, angle B भी निकाल दिया. Angle X भी आ गया. Now we find X. If X is 130, therefore Y equal to X. Why? Because opposite angles of the parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and therefore Y is equal to, and the value of X is 130. We write 130, and that is my first, second, and if we find the third unknown values Z, we find the Z. So we know angle Z plus 150 degree equal 180 degree. Why? Linear pair of angles. This is the linear pair of angles. Or another way you find, this is the exterior angle, but in the triangle we find the exterior linear pair angle we find with the help of linear pair, and angle Z is equal to 180 minus 50, and it comes 180 minus 50, it comes 130 degree. Now we also find the another way. If this line and this line are parallel line, and this is the transversal line, then this angle equal to this angle. Why? This angle and this angle, and these are corresponding angles, and corresponding angle are also equal. तो हम इसे corresponding से भी निकाल सकते थे. ZX के बराबर होता है, वैसे हमने find कर दिया linear pair से. By linear pair, we write here by linear pair pair of angles. Okay. So now at the end we write here the unknown values are x is equal to 130, z is equal to 130, and y is equal to angle y is equal to, and this is also 130 degree. All are 130. This x 130, this x is also 130. Okay, x, z, y all are 130 degree, and that is our answer. Any problem? Any problem? Himanshu, koi problem? Okay, okay. Arpita, Arpita, it is clear? Okay, okay. Anjum, Anjum Masood, it is clear? Oh, now, the third part. Can I erase it? The third part of this question, there is a parallelogram, but it's like a rhombus. This angle x, and this is 90 degree, the symbol of 90 degree. This angle is y, at this angle be 30 degree. Okay, now we find the value of, and this angle be z, and this angle be z. We write here angle z. We write here angle z. Now, in this angle x is equal to 90. We write the name A, B, C, D. Angle x is equal to, and this point is O. Angle x is equal to 90 degree, because opposite angle are always equal, and this is the opposite angles. Opposite angles. Therefore, angle x is 90 degree. Now in triangle OCD, in triangle OCD, we know angle x plus angle 30 plus this angle CDO or ODC, angle ODC is equal to 180 degree. Why? The sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. Sum of the angles of a triangle. आप लोग सभी जानते हैं कि ट्राइंगल के इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 180 होता है. हमने यहाँ पुट कर दिया. And now angle x we already find here. We write here 90 degree plus 30 degree plus angle ODC is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 30 comes 120 degree plus ODC equal 180, and therefore angle ODC is equal to 180 minus 120 degree, and ODC is my angle y. We write here y is equal to, you subtract, it comes 60 degree. Okay, So we already find x, y is also fine. Now we find angle Z. Now this line and this line, because it is a parallelogram, CD is parallel to AB. Now we find here CD is parallel to AB, and DB is a transversal line then angle Y is equal to angle Z. Angle Y is equal to angle Z because they are alternate angle. देखिए Z बन रहा है, Z उल्टा Z बन रहा है. अगर Z टाइप का फिगर हो तो वो alternate angle, and alternate angles are always equal. So we write here alternate angles. You already studied in your previous classes. Lines and angle आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है. That these are alternate angle, and now we find the angle Z. Y को हमने find कर लिया है, तो मैं लिख रहा हूँ Y की वैल्यू यहाँ 60 degree equal Z. Now we change the pens. Z is equal to 60 degree, and now at the end we write here the answers. These are my answers. X is equal to 90 degree, Y is equal to 60 degree, and Z is equal to 60 degree. And these are my answers. Okay? Okay? That is clear? It is clear? Shyanshu Singh? Sir, एक मैं अनम्यूट करिए सबको एक मिनट के लिए अनम्यूट कर दीजिए. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is clear? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Can I erase it?
एक बार और समझा दीजिए.
एक बार और समझा दें. Now look
Yes,
at
sir.
this. This is the figure. This is the parallelogram ABCD. एक parallelogram दिया है, and these are the diagonals of the parallelogram. This angle be given. This is the symbol of 90 degree, and this angle be X. This angle be 30 degree. It is also given, and this angle be Y, and this angle be Z. You find the value of X, Y, Z. Now, my first part. Opposite angle are always equal. Opposite angle, if two lines intersect to each other, opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this angle are opposite angle. This is 90. The value of X is also 90. Okay. Now, in the triangle, अब हम इस triangle को लेंगे. OCD. In OCD, X, this angle be 90. This angle be 30, and we find the value of Y, and the sum of the interior angles of the triangle is 180. Now we put here, and we find the value of D, and D is Y. It comes 60 degree. हमने ये simplify कर दिया, transformation कर लिया, ये 60 आ गया, Y आ गया, X आ गया. Now this line, CD and AB, because it is a parallelogram. Because it is a parallelogram, therefore AB and CD are parallel lines. So now we'll write here CD is parallel to AB and DB is a transversal line. देखिए transversal line है. If two lines are parallel and third line is a transversal line, the alternate angles are always equal. So this angle and this angle are alternate angle. Therefore, Y is equal to Z, and the value Y already we find here under 60. Our answer comes X is 90, Y is 60, Z is 60. Okay? Okay? Now,
एक बार लास्ट वाला बता दीजिए एक बार और। एक कीजिए लास्ट पर।
This
CD इक्वल टू
x की वैल्यू ये है ना भाई 90 है, y की वैल्यू ये 60 हमने लिखा है, z की वैल्यू ये 60 लिखा है, ये आंसर लिख दिए बस उठा के। Now the fourth part and fifth part you have done it. Now write down in your homework the fourth part
हम
and
नहीं जाएंगे, कल हम जाएंगे नहीं, आप लोग चले जाएगा कुछ भी।
अरे कहाँ जाओगे?
मार भी देंगे।
हाँ? क्लास में रहो, कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। Fourth part and fifth part of this question you have do it in your homework copy. Now the question number third. Question third.
Okay.
Okay. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? Can a quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram? The question asks, ABCD is a parallelogram. If ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal. If opposite sides are not equal, then we say it is not a parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral. Now we prove this. First we draw a parallelogram. Now here we draw. I don't make a noise. B C D. हमने एक parallelogram draw किया. Now the first part ABCD is a parallelogram. Now first part angle B plus angle B is equal to 180. This angle and this angle is 180 degree. And the second part AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC and both are 8 centimeter. And AD is equal to AD is equal to 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. This BC is 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 70 degree. Angle C is 65 degree. A is 70 degree and angle C is 65 degree. Now, according to the definition, please listen, don't make a noise. प्यारे बच्चों,
Right, please, sir.
प्यारे बच्चों देखिए समझिए. In a parallelogram, according to the definition of the parallelogram, opposite angle are equal, but here angle A and angle C does not equal. And opposite sides are always equal, but AD is 4 centimeter and BC is 4.4 centimeter. Therefore, we write here, AD is not equal to BC, not equal, and angle A is not equal to angle C. Therefore, ABCD is not a parallelogram. This is
Slide, please, sir.
quadrilateral. ये parallelogram नहीं है. Is not a parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral.
What are you doing, Himanshu?
And that is my answer. यही हमारा आंसर है. It is clear? Clear हुआ? Clear हुआ? मुस्कान?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, can I erase it? Can I erase it? Can I erase it? Hurry up, please. Tell me.
Sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please write down. Please write down. आदित्य सिंह.
कोने फोन आता उपिया के हल ना.
अरे उपिया का फोन आता. क्या बोल रहे हो? Why are you talking in Bhojpuri?
बोलो नहीं सुना के लिए मैं.
हैं?
मास्टर पता कौन तरह उपिया का फोन आता.
Okay.
ओपी का फोन आ रहा है क्या?
बड़े बदमाश है बच्चे भी. Now, and the question number 4. Draw a rough figure of quadrilateral. First we draw. This is the quadrilateral. This is my quadrilateral. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. The rough figure of quadrilateral. That is not a parallelogram, but exactly two opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. But we cannot draw this. We draw here kite. In a kite, this is the quadrilateral C, D. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. And in a kite, now we draw join the diagonals A to C in triangle. In this triangle, we prove by the congruency in triangle. Now we write here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, we have. Time is very less. टाइम खत्म होने को है. अगर ये छूट जाता है तो इसका पूरा पार्ट आप घर पे करेंगे. Now in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AD by construction, by figure, because this quadrilateral I draw a kite by construction. Construction क्या है? And BC is equal to CD. BC is equal to DC. It is also by construction. And side AC is equal to AC, and that is common in both the triangles. Common. That means side, 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 side. In a triangle, if all the sides are equal, triangle are congruent. So we write here triangle ABC, BC, ABC equals not congruent triangle ADC, ADC. If triangles are equal, then corresponding angles are also equal. Therefore, we write here criteria, side, side, side criteria. Criteria. And therefore, angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. Why? By CPCT. CPCT. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are always be equal. Therefore, this angle are equal and both the angles are opposite angle. Both the angles are opposite angle. Hence, the quadrilateral is a kite. In the last you write, hence, the quadrilateral is a kite, and that is my answer. Okay, ये हमने proof कर दिया. So now write down homework. Question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5, 6, and 7. You have done in your homework copy. Write down question number 5, question 6, and question 7. You have do it in your homework copy. Okay? Okay?
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Today,
Yes, sir.
therefore, I today completed 1 to 7 questions. Here about 7. You have completed.
Vijay.
Any problem? Any doubts? Any
No,
doubts?
sir.
No, sir.
Any doubts?
Vijay.
You ask me.